Welcome to the Eat Less Sugar Challenge. Today, we'll embark on a journey to cut down on sugar, promoting a healthier lifestyle. Did you know the average American consumes about 152 pounds of sugar each year? That's approximately 22 teaspoons daily. What we're suggesting isn't total sugar abandonment. Instead, we're advocating for moderation. For some, consuming excess sugar can lead to health problems like obesity and diabetes. The main culprit: added sugars. They lurk in many processed foods, even those marketed as healthy. Our first challenge is to read food labels diligently. This will help you identify hidden sugars. Next, aim to cut down on sugary drinks. Sodas, sports drinks, and even fruit juices are often high in sugar. Substitute these with water, herbal tea, or homemade smoothies using whole fruits. Try to reduce your intake of sugary snacks. Opt for nuts, seeds, and fresh fruits instead. Eating more proteins and fats can also keep you feeling full longer. Start cooking more meals at home. Restaurant and fast food often contain high levels of added sugar. Beware of low-fat or a diet of foods. They can sometimes contain more sugar to compensate for the taste. Substitute white bread and pasta with whole grain alternatives. When it comes to dessert, consider dark chocolate or fruit-based desserts. For baking, try alternative sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or date paste. Watch out for breakfast cereals, which can often be loaded with sugar. Stick to oats or protein-based breakfasts instead. Regular exercise can also help curb sugar cravings. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. It's okay if you have a slip-up now and then. This challenge might feel tough initially, but your body will thank you in the long run. As we wrap up, remember, reducing sugar doesn't mean reducing joy. There's a sweet life beyond the sugar bowl, and we're confident you can live it. Here's to a healthier, happier you.